Okay, guys, so we are going to be playing a game using this filter on Snapchat called Rock Blast. Let's get started. Yeah, okay, so now the point of the game is you just don't want to get crushed, but you want to try to shoot them while it's in the air. And boom, yeah, you see. And it is actually going to get harder the more that you continue. And boom. Boom. Uh-oh. 50. Uh-oh. 53. Ah. Okay. Boom. I got rid of the green one. No. Man. Well, let's retry. Okay, and boom. Oh my gosh, man. At first I thought I was just gonna, like, lose to that. By the way, sorry. It's kind of dark. I do apologize. Yeah, boom. Boom. Here, let's just try to go for the 3. No. Try one more time. Subscribe.